So good morning everyone, welcome back to your second section. And now we move to the blueprint 6 everyone. The lesson 3 under the sea that you have learned yesterday everyone. We have 5 vocabulary like the word incredibly, okay, you see here, like incredibly, like substitute, like gather, like ecologically, like exactly, okay. If thing that is incredibly mean it is difficult to believe, okay, like substitute to replace or instead of, gather to college, um, like ecologically mean the environment or the like ecosystem. If you express something that exactly mean you want to agree, okay, completely with someone, or you want to confirm that something is completely correct. And also you have respond with this 6 question with the track listening everyone. And also you have learn something about RMS Titanics. So without further ado, teacher would like you to begin our lesson today everyone. So we go to part 2, write the words in the box under the correct picture so you can complete here. Teacher give you like one or 2 seconds everyone. Cắt chênh môi pi bảy. So now everyone, welcome back to this part 2, write the word, okay, in the box under the correct picture. So we have like the word well, the word volcano, the word surface, satellite, and observation. So based on the picture, like number 1 mean the thing that fly in the sky, and what you can see right now, what you can call someone else right now, okay, what you can surf the internet right now because of that thing. They hold the internet, around the world that you can use it. And volcano mean we call it fire mountain, just teacher just mentioned like this, fire mountain. And surface, I mean the above one. And satellite observation. So what are you going to complete for the first one everyone? For number 1, this is we call satellite, okay. Number 2, wave. Number 3, volcano. And number 4, observation. Number 5, surface, okay, surface. Let's move to the next lesson here everyone. We teacher gonna focus on the grammar today about the 2 infinitive or infinitives. So in this chat, you can see here like they just mentioned like common verb that are followed by infinitives include. So begin to, agree to. So it followed by the infinitive, okay. So the infinitive refer to the verb, okay. If you say to infinitive, to plus with verb, because to infinitive. Like choose, like continue, decide, expect, fail, hate, help, hope, learn, like, love, manage, plan, prefer, promise, seem, start, want, wish, and would like. And we have more verb than this everyone, but you have to remember that those verbs are followed by infinitive. And common verbs that are followed by noun plus with infinitive include like advise. A noun can be advise someone, or we call noun or pronoun can be like that, like advise someone to do something, allow somebody to do something, ask somebody to do something. So this is the structure. So you can say that I advise you to join the meeting, okay. I invite you to ask the question, example. Or convince, encourage, like expect, okay. Expect can be followed by infinitive and can be followed by noun. It depends on the sentence. Help, like the word force, get, invite, order, persuade, like remind, like teach, tell, trust, want, and would like. Sometimes you say that I want you to do something, or I want to do something. So the sentence just change the meaning. Example like I want to drink coffee, and then you can say I want you to drink coffee, not me. Okay, you, that I want you to drink it. Okay. And now you see that you use and the example here, like the infinitive, stand as the subject or the object, like to, you can say, to explore, the sea is not an easy task. So to explore here, the function as the subject of the sentence, everyone. To explore the sea, okay. We try to study it from a distance. So try to, so study just infinitive, and to plus with infinitive we call to infinitive. So to study we call to infinitive, okay. And some verb, the form like verb plus with object plus with infinitive. So the object can be noun or can be pronoun, or the type of noun can be thing, can be a lot of more, everyone. Like you can't expect robots to be as much as human. So robots is the noun, or we can say the object, and the to infinitive, to is follow like to be, okay, to be. Be also the kind of infinitive one. Noun like for plus with object plus with infinitive, they mean that sometimes no need to mention for, okay. Example like there are a lot of things to learn about the ocean. Sometimes for us can be omit, so if you don't want to use it, that's okay. And adjective for object, okay, and then plus with infinitive. Example, it is easier for a boat to stay underwater for a long time. Or you can say it is easier to stay underwater for a long time. But it is not completely, make sense, because of you need the object to clarify the sentence is completely understand, like the robot that we are going to talk. And the last one, the infinitive of purpose, like using machine to explore the seas, can be very useful, okay. And now teacher would like you to see another example here, everyone. So you can see on the screen here, teacher share you with the verb plus with to infinitive, and later on teacher will teach you about the verb plus with run or verb 1 ing, okay, not present participle. Okay, so you can see here, like I have decided to have a round of golf. I've arranged to play with someone, but you promised to come shopping this afternoon. I want to look for a new sofa. Okay, so this is we call the to infinitive. This is to infinitive. This is to infinitive, and this is also to infinitive. Let's say that after some verbs we can use to infinitive. Example like decided to have, like arrange to play. Here are some more examples, like expect to get, like arrange or agree to work. Afford to go, like hoping to get, like offer to help, okay. And how do you make this infinitive into the question, or to make it into the negative one? So we can put not before the to infinitive in order to make it negative one. So you can see here, like some people just choose not to get married. So what we have to do, the negative is not to get, not choose. If say like some people just don't choose to get married, And if you say like some people just choose not to get married, so which one is the best answer for you, everyone? If we have the two infinitive here, it depends whether we want to make it the negative in the first infinitive or the two infinitive. And if you want to make it into the negative with the two infinitive, you have to use not before two. So actually, I think that you happen to the question a lot, or sometimes you speak it like unintentionally, that how to make it. Example like, at least I manage not to lose my temper. Or you can you say like, at least I don't manage to lose my temper. Sometimes it doesn't make sense for you, everyone. Like, I don't manage to lose my temper, meaning that you manage to lose your temper. Okay, if you say like not to lose, I mean you arrange it. Okay, you control it. So sometimes it will be negative to question, sometimes sentence in a negative. You have to learn this one a lot. Like some other verb, we use an ing form, not to infinitive. This is another lesson. So like seem and appear here, everyone, like we can use to infinitive after seem and appear. So like Sarah seemed to be quite annoyed. Or you can say like the computer program appeared to have a bug in it. The person I spoke to didn't seem to know anything about the company product. The person I spoke to didn't seem to know. Oh, that is the question that you have to understand, everyone. The person I spoke to didn't seem to know. So didn't seem to know, where is the subject, everyone? The subject is the person. Okay, the person didn't seem to know anything about the company product. I spoke to him. Is it? So the sentence is like that. We can use a continuous or perfect infinitive as well. So you can see like the continuous, Andrew seemed to be studying every harder these days. The perfect can be the which appear to have hurt himself. The question is that how do we use the continuous with infinitive, and how we use perfect with the infinitive. So stay tuned with this video, everyone. Teacher will promise that the following video teacher will try to make you clear that what to make the question, what to make the tenses with the to infinitive correctly. So now it came to the end of our lesson today, everyone. So teacher would like to brief up again that what we have studied today. We have studied the new 5 vocabulary again. We have like the word here like wave, like the word volcano, like surface, satellites, and observation. And the grammar that you have learned today is about the infinitive. Some infinitive followed by to infinitive, and other follow after the noun. We call noun plus with infinitive. So to get more exercise or to study more with this lesson, please watch the whole video and connect with us, everyone, and ask your teacher and me as well. So without reluctance, we are free to answer your question anytime. So thank you very much, everyone, for watching this video, and see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.